It's Monday, March 22nd, 2021. I'm at the Metra Stone Avenue station in LaGrange, Illinois, and Metra eastbound train number 1314 due here at 1:01 p.m. going from Aurora to Chicago Union Station is approaching right now on time at 1:01 p.m. And westbound Metro train 1307 is due here at 1:08 p.m. I don't see its headlight yet. His next stop will be just down about a mile or so at the LaGrange road station in LaGrange, Illinois. This is one of the nicest stations on this Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway line between Chicago and Aurora. And give an over and out.